Today we are going to talk about bigger than, smaller than, and greater than. Does anyone know what any of those terms mean?
Ooh, bigger, smaller, bigger than smaller.
Good job, Sim, yes.
What does greater?
Greater than means that we have a group that is bigger, more in quantity, or more numbers than another. So, what are ways that we can determine what makes a group bigger and what makes a group smaller? Determine? Can you say it with me?
I know.
It's when. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Like there'd be 9 of you and I'm like,
determine means figuring out the answer to a question. Okay? So I'm going to draw some numbers on the board in 2 groups, and I want to use observation, which means using our eyes, to tell what group is bigger. Okay?
I use my eyes for lots of things.
I was going to be
Colors.
Simma?
Draw picture.
And I'd be interested to hear your ideas, but I want you to write about.
All right, so I'm doing 2 different groups, and I'm going to ask one of you, just one, and I want you to raise your hand if you think you know the answer.
That one.
I want you to raise your hand.
I would never do that in class, like ever.
You
Yeah.
can answer, okay?
It's kind of funny because the classroom I work at,
Sim, what one is bigger?
as long as it doesn't become
And how could you tell this one is bigger? So did you use your eyes to tell that there's more dots, or did you count?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, can you tell me what one is bigger?
For the summative notes, I put teacher posture, presentation, correction.
Okay, so I'm asking what group here, and by group I mean this section here and this section. Simma, does this one have more than this group? And by more I mean, are there more dots than this group? And why do you think there are more dots? Good job. So we have 2 different ways that we can tell. One is by counting. Can you count with me here these dots? All of us, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Simma, we're going to do it as a group. Ready? 1, 2, Kyla? Do you have any questions, Kyla?
I know. 4. This is a frame reference. I made it look
Seven.
That's not what she's doing.
8.
No, 6 are talking.
All right, Kyla, I want you to count these ones for me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I need you to speak a little louder.
I just don't want to say it out.
Good job. Thank you. All right. So I'm going to split us up into groups of 3, and we are going to work with some pretzels, and I'm going to have 2 of you make a group, and then the 3rd person is going to determine what one is bigger and what one is smaller. Yes, Lynn? It means that I'm going to, or we're going to be in groups of 3, which means there's 3 people, and then when I give you the pretzels, you're going to set aside a certain amount to look at. Aside means just separate from the rest. Okay? Kyla, do you have any questions? Okay, but next time you can ask me, okay? Okay. All right. So here's our pretzels. And we're going to eat them when we're done. Don't eat them now, otherwise that's okay. That's okay, someone. We don't need to. It's okay. All right, everyone. We're going to eat them when we're done. If we eat them now, we're not going to have anything to learn with, okay? All right. So I want Kyla and Simma to separate some pretzels from their group.
A sheet of paper. It's going to be a circle in the middle that says happy. And what I want you to do is I want you to think of other words that mean happy and make a spider diagram and write them all down. So for example, another word for happy is
you were right. Separate those.
I want you to think of as many as you can. It's a competition in a
Lena, stop eating the pretzels.
I'll wait till
We are not eating right now. We are learning. Okay? So, Kyla has separated. Talina, this is your turn. You've got to determine which one of these groups is
Anyone tell me
bigger.
what I just asked you to do?
So I want you to use just your eyes. Don't count. Okay?
Not what happy is.
Why do you think this one's
Right.
bigger?
As many words as you can think of that mean the same thing
Okay.
as happy.
So if I take these
For
four,
example, cheerful.
like
Think
this,
of
and
another
I
one,
put
just
these
get us
ones in the
going.
same group, do they look the same?
No. Yes.
But those pretzels
Joyful.
are bigger than
Brilliant.
Yes, the pretzels
Okay.
may be bigger,
All right.
but I'm talking about the
Any
number
peanut
of
in
pretzels in a group.
Thanks for rejoining our group.
No.
And thanks for hanging
But I'm just talking about the
I'd
group
like
or the
you
shape.
two
Does
to
this
just
shape
type,
look
think
like
of as
this
many
shape?
words as you can. Don't start writing yet.
Like how many?
Think.
I want you to
This shape looks bigger? We're right. All right. Now, Talina and Siva, I want you to separate your pretzels into groups.
I learned how to cut
And Kyla, you are going to determine what one is bigger or what one is smaller.
I'm gonna make mine hard.
Many words
Is there anything I can help you with?
same as happy. Okay. All right. Pencils up.
I think
It's
Ready,
nice that you're asking your
steady,
friends, but I can help you too. Is there anything I can do to... Well, I can tell you in a way you understand if you just give me a chance. Determine, it is when we are going to figure out or learn what one is bigger or smaller. You understand? All right, you guys got your
I'm
groups?
making mine.
Oh, you made two groups, but you gotta choose what one you want to use. Both of you, okay?
This one.
That one? What one do you want to use, Emma? Okay. So, all right, Kyla, I want you to determine which one is bigger or which one is smaller. Good job. That means equal to. That means there is.
I was trying to trick you.
But it didn't work, did it? She knew that they were equal. And equal means that there is the same number in one group as there is in the other. You understand, Selena? Is there anything I can answer for you?
All right. 5 seconds. 4, 3.
All right. So now it is going to be Sylvia's turn to determine. So,
right.
Selena and Kyla, please choose out some pretzels.
Anything like to share?
Make it hard, guys.
I'd love to hear you read that out loud.
Can you lay them flat for me, Kyla? I know,
Why
but
don't you share it in your pairs?
This way she can
Why
use
don't
her
you
eyes
discuss?
to look at it,
Actually,
okay?
we've got 3 of you. So why don't you, when you
all
three,
right.
discuss
Now,
them,
now I
guys
want you to
break
count
down
the number in each
and
group.
explain
And
why
determine-
those words mean the same.
Well, there's two ways. We're learning two different ways to determine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job.
1,
Well,
2, 3,
she
4,
can cut
5,
them. I've
6,
got
7,
other
8,
pretzels that
9,
we can eat.
10.
All right.
That one's bigger.
Good job, Emma. Selena, what's your problem?
I didn't really, I could have touched it when I was counting. I would have been able to know that it
But we weren't counting on your turn. We were just using our eyes. Remember? We were observing. Okay. But we're gonna do it.
Why don't you share?
It means that we are using our eyes to look at something, and then using our eyes to look at something, and then telling me what you see. Okay. Now, I'm going to set out a
Okay.
number, and I want you guys
So do
to
you guys want to tell me what words you put down?
determine what it is in your heads, and then I'm going to ask each one of you what you think. Okay? Simma?
I don't know.
So Eddie had smiley, which I will with great example.
I will set
Another
aside,
word
and then I will see who has their hand up.
Does anyone have
Okay?
anything different?
I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna.
Well, this is kind of like a game, Kyla. If you use your eyes.
Yeah, what do you have? Now, teeth, you would show your teeth when you're happy because what are you doing when you're happy?
All right, Kyla.
Yeah,
Since you are talking to your partner, I'm going to ask you first.
But smile doesn't mean the same.
What group
You wouldn't say,
is bigger?
oh, that person over there is really smiling.
And why is this one bigger?
You'd say they're really
there, and 5 there.
Good job.
smiley.
Thank you.
So you
But
find
this
out
one's
words
bigger
that you
because
could
these
describe,
pretzels are
you know,
bigger
when
than those
you're-
pretzels.
when the
The
sun
size of the
is
pretzel might be bigger, but we are talking about
have words
groups
that
right
mean
now.
exactly
Not
the
the.
You
same.
just said what one is bigger, and
What?
these ones
Alright.
are
You
bigger.
were right, but I meant what.
What we're going to do is our second
Okay, you
activity, I want you to turn your sheet over.
We're not talking about individual size
And I
right
want
now.
you to
We're
write
talking
not
about the
happy.
group of the pretzels, not the individual. You understand?
Thank you for being patient.
Okay.
So to capitalize.
So let's do this one more time.
And I want you to do the same thing. I want you to
We're
think
gonna
of
do
many
this
words
one more time.
that mean not happy. So,
We're going to
crying.
make it really hard, okay?
You know, 'cause that doesn't
And we're not going to
exactly
count
the
this
same
time. We're just going to use our eyes,
as
okay?
miserable. That means one.
And we're gonna
So we don't want
observe.
sad things.
Sometimes I use my eyes, but I can count
Things that mean the same.
If you,
We're gonna
yeah.
have to go together. Ready? Steady? Go.
Yeah, you get 1 minute.
All right.
Okay, done.